What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video on some Yeezy pickups that I got um, recently. I used to have a shoe collection back in the day. Sold all my shoes. I had a whole bunch of like basketball shoes. I had a whole bunch of Kobe's and stuff like that. But today, recently, the last couple of weeks, I said I'm gonna get my shoe collection back up and started collecting. Decided I was gonna start picking up some Yeezys. Um, so I already had a pair of Yeezy Quantums. Those were my first pair. I think they were the aqua color ones. Don't get me. No, I'm not too familiar with the names, but those were those pairs. So I'll start there. Um, so a lot of these shoes that I've gotten are pre-owned. With decent wear and tear. Well, not no tear, but decent wear or whatever. So I just got these ones in today. These are the brown ones here. I love the Quantums. I'm gonna start that. I'm gonna say that off the back. I love the Quantums. Plan on getting me a basketball pair of Quantums. All the Quantums that I do have are the lifestyle Quantums. And the other pair of Quantums, my first pair of Quantums that I ever got, I don't have them there in storage. Um, and I have another pair that I recently got, and they're at my other house. So I just got these in today. These are the brown ones. Like I said, decent wear and tear. Um, I am gonna be sending these off to get cleaned. Um, I got these off of eBay, so they do get authenticized and everything. So I like them. Not in bad shape at all. Like I wear my shoes, so it's not a big problem to me. And also the Quantums themselves, um, they're not. I think you can get them at retail, if not under retail, for the lifestyles. I think all of the lifestyles that I've gotten are under retail. Probably not the first pair that I got because I can't remember the price. I think I probably paid $200 for those. But all of these were at least under 150 at least. And I have the all black ones. Those were the ones that I really, really wanted the most. But I have the all black ones. Those were brand new, and I think I got those for like 130 and whatever like that. So these were the brown ones that I just got in the mail like 20 minutes ago. These ones are I think these ones are the blue ones. These are the blue ones. Yeah, these ones are the blue ones here. Put y'all down real quick. Yeah, pick these ones up too. Actually, the guy that sold me these ones, he said that these were the basketball ones. No, I take that back. It was the other pair that he said it was the basketball ones, but they're actually the lifestyle. But I'm not tripping, because when I bought those ones, these ones right here underneath here, I was just like, all right, bet they're the basketball versions, and those were the ones I was gonna hoop in. So of course they don't get fucked up, but I wasn't tripping. But these ones here, practically still brand new, pre-owned, good pickup. This isn't the shoe with the tag on it, but these also got authenticized from eBay and everything like that. So got these bad boys. These bad boys, sexy. These ones right here. Gotta tear this box up. Trying to get the shoe up right here. Were the ones that he said they were the basketball version, but these ones aren't the basketball versions. These ones are the lifestyle. And like again, good shape on all the shoes. I know I'm not bringing out the other shoe, but it's in good shape. No scratches, no anything like that. Bottom's fairly clean. I have yet to go anywhere in these. They've just been collecting here, coming in the mail and collecting here. I don't think this part glows in the dark. I don't think so. I haven't tried it. But But yeah, these are nice. I think they have the silver ones. These are like the dark gray, I believe. But the silver ones, I want to try to get the silver ones as well. Yeah, those ones right there. Like that. So I got those. All right. And then I went ahead and I got some 380s. I came across these. I'm not a big fan of the 300 series. I'm not a big fan of the 300 series. That doesn't mean I won't get any. It just depends on the colorway. Other than the, I forget the name of them, but these ones, they come in black. I got a good deal on these. Good deal on these here. Very sexy shoe. I'm just mad because these come with a with the laces where they don't, where you don't have to lace them. But previous owner, he cut them and put the aftermarket laces in. So, but these shoes in general, they don't need because it's like a boot. They don't need you don't need laces with these in the first place. But yeah, I got these bad boys. Comfortable shoe. Haven't worn them out yet. Haven't worn those out yet. So we go over here. I got the 700s. These pair of 700s. V3s here. Very comfortable, sexy shoe. Again, I want to get like the burgundy colorway and the black colorway with these ones here. And yeah, the burgundy, the black, and the white. I got these 700 V3s first, and then I got those ones, and that looks actually pretty like a good lineup. Like you can switch it up throughout the day. You know what I mean? Like hit them with these ones in the afternoon, in the morning time, and hit them with these ones. You know what I'm saying? In the evening time, or rock these on the way to the gym, and rock these on the court type shit. But like I say, these come with the lock laces. I think they're supposed to, and I think he gave me the extra laces. Yeah, get the extra laces in there. The guy said he threw away the original box, and he put them on this box or whatever. So all good. I just wish it came with some paper. That's the only issue I got with that. And then last but not least, my favorite that I have, one shoe that really said, all right, fuck it, I'm just gonna start getting into Yeezys. One shoe that this probably is the most expensive one out of all of these. These ones in V3s. $700 Wave Runners. This is probably one of the sexiest non-basketball shoes that I've ever bought. I do not intend on wearing these. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I just love how this shoe is put together. First and foremost, because it's not like the rest of these. It's not like the Quantums, not like the 380s. It's not like the rest of the other Yeezys. When you see this shoe, you just think you wouldn't think it's a Yeezy unless you're a sneakerhead and you know that these are Yeezys. Shit, you wouldn't even know that these are Adidas. That's one thing I like about them. I like how the three stripes is kind of like hidden in there or whatever like that, because it doesn't give you off like when you look at the shoe, it has no logos on them except for like the back of the heel, and you know it's Adidas, and then on the tongue it's Adidas. But all in all, like, this is a sexy shoe. These are brand new. I think I paid, I want to say maybe $290, $300 maybe. It probably wasn't even that high, but they were up there when I got those bad boys. But like again, haven't worn these yet. I probably just tried them on because the first pair of Quantums that I got, those were a size 10. All of these are 10 and a half. And an Adidas, when I wear Adidas, I wear, what's the other shoe there? When I wear Adidas, I wear size 10 because I'm used to hooping and Harton. And that's like my true to size on Adidas. But Nike, I wear 10 and a half. So when I got those last pair of Quantums, they were tight. And I barely like wearing those. So I said, all right, well, I'm going to get these ones in 10 and a half. And these ones, they still fit tight. Actually, all these Yeezys fit tight. But they're a lot more better than the 10. So that's my thing for that. Do I have anything else coming in? So yeah, I still want to get the rest of these. I probably just end up getting like all the colorway of the Yeezys. I mean, of the Quantums. Cause like, you know, they're like dirt cheap right now. So I'll probably get all the colorways of the Quantums. I still want to get the high res blues and high res reds. I still want to get some V2s. The hospital blue V2s, I think that's what they're called. I still want to get a pair of those, some blacks. I still want to get the utility black 500s, lows, and I want to get the frost blue 500 highs. I think that's what they're called. And I'm not even a fan of blue, but that shoe is sexy, just like these Quantums. They're sexy, and just like those 700s in blue are sexy. And like I said, I want to get the high res blue and the high res reds. Next, I'll probably get those two at the end of, probably by the end of this year. In the Quantums, like I said, they're going dirt cheap. If I come across a silver pair, I think that's probably like the only colorway I don't have, like off the top of my head. It's probably like the silver pair, and silver pair, and I want to get the nets or the knits or whatever they're called, the basketball version of those. I see myself hooping in those than I do in these Quantums, because the bottom's just too wide for me, and I'm a guard, so I don't see myself doing it like that. But those nets or whatever they're called, those remind me of like the Kobe 9 Elites. So that's probably what I end up doing, getting those. But all right, man, just wanted to come up with a little shoe video. It's nothing too serious. You know, it's been a minute since I did the shoe video on my page anyway, so that is what it is. I wish I had all my pairs here. Like I said, I got the all black ones in these. I got the all black ones in these at the other house, so I probably just put in a little clip at the end and whatever. If you guys got any comments, leave some. Leave a like, subscribe, and holler at me.